If you're a sales leader and you're looking to improve the sales performance of your team, there are 3 things, yes, 3 things that you can do to really make a difference. But first, sales team's performance improvement is not something that happens overnight. There is no magic bullet despite the tech, despite the one quick ideas. It's all about hard work, focus and application. Here are the 3 elements to focus on when you want to improve sales performance. Number 1, work on your team's knowledge, product knowledge, market knowledge, customer knowledge. Knowledge is power and knowledge gives confidence and confidence makes sales. Things that people can learn, and you can learn them from a book, you can learn them from e-learning. It's theory, it's not practice, it's about knowledge, and knowledge gives sales confidence. So here is the second one, and that's about skills. Things you can observe, things you can do. And the skills in sales are actually pretty straightforward. It's about prospecting skills, it's about rapport building, it's about asking the right type of questions, open questions, closed questions, questions like that. It's about doing great presentations and demos. And of course, it's about closing a deal or dealing with objections. Now, what I tend to do is I index the skill level of the team I work with. So I score them from 1 to 10. 1, not very good at it. 10, they're brilliant at it. Why don't you ask your team to score themselves on the skills they need and use every day? From there, you know where the training can take place and where the development needs to happen. So here is the 3rd out of 3 elements to focus on when you want to improve sales team's performance. This is all about attitude and behavior. Sales leaders, if you want to develop the right type of behaviors in your salespeople, I have one simple piece of advice. Do what you want them to do. All you need to do is to demonstrate yourself what good looks like in terms of sales behaviors. Going the extra mile, never giving up, coming in early, staying late, making that extra call, going for the close, being customer focused. They're all elements of behaviors that you can see in your people. So if you want to take your salespeople from the next level to the next level to the next level to the next level to the next level, then work on those 3 elements: knowledge, skills, and behaviors. Good luck.